Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Taste of Cuba. This video is going to teach you how to make those delicious home fries everyone has been asking for. You want to start out by putting onions in a hot pan. You really want to put the onions in first so they are able to caramelize. If you don't put them in first, they'll just get translucent. If you don't mind that, that's fine, but I like that brown, sweet flavor on my onions. After you set them up and let them brown for a little bit, you want to go ahead and add your cubed potatoes. I use about 3 to 4 potatoes, and that's enough for 2 people. After you add in your potatoes, go ahead and take your heat to medium-high and start seasoning them. You want to start with garlic salt, some garlic powder, some parsley, smoked paprika, complete seasoning by Goya, and the optional one is Old Bay. Old Bay does give it a bit of a sweetness to it, so it's completely optional. It just depends on how you like it. I could go with or without it. To make all those flavors pop, add some good old sea salt. Don't go overboard, just add a little bit. And before we put the lid on, you want to go ahead with 2 tablespoons of butter. Salted, unsalted, anything works. Stir and cover and leave on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, always watching it so it doesn't burn. After that, you come back and stir. Don't worry about that crust you see at the bottom. That will all go away once you lower the heat and cover it again in a few minutes. I'm also not using a non-stick pan, so if you use a non-stick pan, you can probably avoid this problem completely. That's really it. You'll know your potatoes are done when they become heavier to stir. You should be able to put a fork through them very easily. At this point, you can cover and lower the heat so you can get that crust off the bottom, or you can just go ahead and plate and you are done. Serve this for breakfast, for lunch with a steak, or for dinner with a steak. Who eats a steak for lunch? But anyways, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Please keep on supporting. All you do to support us really motivates us to keep making content and sharing our delicious recipes with you. Let us know if you like it, comment, how would you have done it differently, all that good stuff. Thank you. See you next time. If you made it this far, thank you so much for supporting. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media. Bye.